nagising. Nakakain ng mani. I'm not excited for today's event, pero hindi na ako makatulog uli. Tried so hard na matulog kagabi, and then magigising lang ako for a fucking diarrhea. No! It's currently 4:56 in the morning. And yeah, I'll bring you guys today for today's agenda. Redundant, pero yeah, okay, fine. Let's go! Hey guys, so I haven't eaten my breakfast, pero right now I'm on my way papunta sa mall kasi dun daw yung meet up point namin ng mga friends ko kasi we're having lunch together. Kasi nga, di ba, hindi pa ako nag-breakfast and it's just 11 AM, so early lunch I guess. So yon, brunch, whatever you call it. So yon, these are my friends pala from Lasal, no? Yung imi-meet ko today. And yeah, the agenda today is, wala, to just, I don't know, let's see what will happen, diba? Kung ano matripa namin sa buhay. Forgive my northern attitude, though I was raised on a lie. So, andito na ako ngayon sa mall, and yeah, nag-chat na si Chelsea, andito na siya. I think this is her car. Yeah, I'm guessing this is her car. But I'm not sure if siya yan. Pero feel ko siya yan. It's raining hard, guys. Siguro hina muna ako ng ulan dito. So, yeah. Okay. Bye. I'm with Chelsea na... ano?
Wala na akong jutok.
Hey guys! Hey guys, so my order is orange chicken with strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade! Tapos meron silang free knock fortune cookies. Ano? Kanina pa ako nandito. Let's go, let's open this up. Fortune cookies. Ano saan? Nasaan? Ay, grabe, walang comment sa akin. Wala, guys.
Ito, maganda para sa inyo. Baka nalaglag, Marco.
Ito talaga, ito talaga.
Grabe. Ano yung saan niya?
Hey guys, so now, pabalik na kami sa house. So tama nga, katabi ko nga si Chelsea sa parking. Oh my God! Sheep! Sheep! Mom and Dad? Mom and Dad? Oh, child? Yeah. Okay.
Hi guys!
Hey guys! Hey guys! So, movie watching lang kami. Ang palabas ay Scarecrow. Di siya Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Ganun siya inispal ni Noni eh. Right guys?
Yeah.
Grabe, mom and dad ko nakapunti. Bro. What can you say about the movie? How's the movie? Ox lang. Ang ingay! Turn the volume down, bitch! Adjust your mode. Sabi niya, you love me. Sa aso.
Huh?
Wow! Pagkakasarap. Ay, tumigil sa kajajamonan yan, no?
Sino dito naglaro ng Roblox?
Siete! Kikita tapos mo yung nampalit sa dilim. O, YouTube! Joke ka pa, ha?
Pansin kayo.
Are we going?
Maple, magjo-jogging.
Anong jogging? Hi guys! Magjujugjugan. Uy! Hindi hindi ka ganon.
No, siya lang.
Princess.
Hindi makita.
Princess siya, no?
Princess, di nga nagsi-seatbelt yan palagi.
Passenger princess. And I don't want the world to see me when everything's meant to be broken. Boss, bombahan mo rin ako. Wala nang ipapasok.
1, 2, 3. Wait!
Ayun o, ang puti ko kaya.
Sige, laban mo.
Hindi,
Maputi ba siya, guys? Comment down below.
Hindi nga ako nagbibitch eh.
Bitch ka kasi. Ugali lang daw kasi.
Ay! Ano yan?
Just take, ha?
We are now in... Wait. Starbucks! Starbucks too? Starbucks! Starbucks. Oh, we're in Starbucks. What's your order?
Java. It's no easy drink. Java chip.
We're buying a drink. Let's go.
Pag owner na si Colleen, sabihin namin sa'yo, Marco, meet us at Starbucks.
Meet us where you first met me.
Saan ba?
Sa Lasal. So, naka-order na ako. And sila mo-order na.
My order is white chocolate. White chocolate frap.
Guys, wala naman nagtanong, no?
Java chip.
Jane! Jane, okay ka lang ba, Jane? Jane! Sina mo, Jane? Ikaw nga, landiin mo yung camera. Paano? Paano daw yung Reese?
Ganda lang, de. Ganito lang, okay.
Ikaw nga, paano mag-Reese? Jeez lang alam mo eh. Di ba? Jeez. Ano? Search mo. Ano sabi mo?
Sabi ko kanina, tatanong anong name. Sabi ko,
Guys, so namumroblema na si Chelsea.
Bakit?
Sabi niya kanina. Kahit hanggang 8, di ba? Ano ngayon? Si Mamay?
Kala ko si OT, sorry.
Overthinker? Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin tong vlog na. Mamaya tatama rin ako mag-edit dito. Oh. May bumuboses eh.
Dito, green.
Fifth wheel and sixth wheel. Nasa kasi si Nino.
Ano?
Namu Jane.
James.
Namu Jane. Jane, okay ka lang ba, Jane?
Ano?
Ay, sabi niya, I'm fine. Ay, di ba kayo out?
Di ba kayo? Kayo ba, di? Hi, kids.
Where are you going?
It's your mom. We're going sa...
Hey, it's your titas and titas.
In a world of Binondo dates. Here kami sa Maple Grove.
Nilipost ko yun.
Ayun.
Hey guys, we're on our way home.
Hindi ka nangatro.
You are...
Only exception.
Ay, ginalingan. Shit, itong score mo. Hey you guys, kain. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Oh my god. Bye guys. Bye Noni. Sana next kita natin, jowa mo na si Or nililigawan mo na sana.
Muna.
Oo, sila muna na.
Hindi, time yan, time. Mahirap kalaban yung time. Bye everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye Noni. Bye guys. Bye.
Marco. Bye.
Bye bitch. So yeah, I think that's everything for today. Well, I really enjoyed hanging out with my friends again. And yeah, I think that's really what I needed. A catch up from their lives and also a catch up from my life. And also the bonding that I missed for like a whole semester because like I transferred to Manila, as you know guys, after everything that happened to me. Well, I'm kinda back, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoy this video and let me see you on my next one. I don't know when, But I hope soon. And yeah, well, it's already 8:14. Cute na wallpaper ko, no? Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one. Bye!
Got me going psycho. She got me going